With those beautiful words, let's just turn within. Focusing awareness on the breath. Feeling each in-breath. Feeling each out-breath. This activity that gives life to the body thousands of times every day. Turning within doesn't mean we negate the world. It simply means we turn away from it for a moment. We turn away from the human world, the created world, the world of to-do lists, the world of going somewhere, the world of right and wrong, good and bad. Rumi says, out beyond right and wrong, there's a field. I'll meet you there. So we meet in this field beyond right and wrong, beyond all dualities, to the place of oneness. And in this place of oneness, there's nothing to do. There's simply to be. There's nothing to attain or achieve. There's only something to accept. In this precious moment, the only one in which we can live is this moment. In this precious moment, the truth is available to us. It's always there, but most of the time we're busy running away from it. And now, for a few minutes, we stop running. We turn within and just be. Be in that infinite peace, that infinite silence at the center of your being. You don't have to search for it. You don't have to create it. Just invite it and allow it to come forth. So now we rest in the silence for a few moments, just allowing what's here to be here, not struggling, but accepting, not striving, but allowing, not doing, just being. Being here. Being here now. Right now. Right here. In the silence. And so we don't have to leave this place. It's always here. As we come back to the world of sights and sounds, we know that within the center of all of it, in the midst of the rush and the turmoil, we can find that still point, that place deep within that is always there, that always knows. It is the Christ. It is the reality of who you are. And for this awareness, we give thanks again and again. Thank you, Spirit. Amen.